questions about Cashback with Bath and Body Works. So this is the app Ibotta. I'll leave the information below. Basically, you click the in-stores Bath and Body Works. You enter the amount of your transaction, and then at the bottom they'll give you the option where you can pay using the Ibotta app, and then bingo, you'll get cash back. So as you guys can see, I use it quite often and get cash back on purchases. So now that we got this out the way, let's talk about this live. If y'all don't know who I am, my name is Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance, and this live was such a joke. So we're going to get into it, let y'all know what I thought about the live, because I was expecting to learn something new. I was like, okay, maybe they'll give us some explanations, maybe something different was about to go down. So they had this live where they were in a White Barn store, because a lot of the stores are being, redone as White Barn. So we have Santa, and we have old girl that's always in the videos. She's always just so happy. So I really do like her. I don't have nothing bad to say about her, but they were going over what we have all saw already and has been online for about 2.5 weeks, what they've been pushing on us. The champagne toast, which is absolutely beautiful. I do love the shimmer spray, and I do love the shimmer fizz lotion. I think that is pretty cool. So they were showing us that those items are there, that the black cherry Merlot is out, the coconut snowball, all the things we already know is out, because again, they are pushing those items on us like heavy. So I was like, okay, you can show me that, that's cool, but can you show me what's going on with Land of Sweets? So they showed us some more stuff around the store, the black cherry Merlot, so forth, the champagne toast. And I want to add real quick, don't worry, I'm going to be telling y'all what I like and what I don't like in this one. That champagne toast, cute in that packaging, especially with the moisturizing body wash. So I definitely need to get in stores and get that. So even though I'm ranting on them, it's some things that I do want to get, but that champagne toast is sitting right. They went on to show us the new decor that's going to be coming out. She was really hyping it like this is something new. We seen this, all the Bath and Body Works haulers that's big on YouTube. We've been showed y'all all these, especially in the Come With Me's. We showed you these items already. I mean, those Christmas light up trees, those are $49.50. I think that is way too expensive. Y'all better go to Dollar Tree and get y'all the little dollar mini ones, because $49.50 ain't doing it. But what they were showing us as far as the decor, she even showed the little dangling one, the dangling one with the little fake diamonds and stuff. Oh my god, this is awesome. I showed you that 2.5-3 weeks ago. So yeah, they had the decor. They were showing that out too, like it was something brand new. They went on to talk about the candles. I can't believe they decided to talk about fresh balsam. I guess it's a candle that doesn't sell out very well, so they wanted to hype it up with Santa and everything. But one thing I noticed, they didn't even talk about the Land of Sweets candles at all. It's like this line doesn't exist. Maybe this line is not real, because they're not even talking about the candles in it at all, which shocked me. They even showed off some of the new pocket back holders, which we all seen these. We have purchased them in stores. I heard some stores, they are just now getting this whole holiday phase 1, but a lot of us okay, I'm getting all upset, have already seen all this before. But I get it, to some of y'all this is brand new, you have not seen it, but a lot of us, we've seen all this before. They finally make their way over to Land of Sweets, and only thing they're showing is the same thing we've been showing y'all for a week. The bubble baths, the foot soaks or bath salts, the roll-on glitters, the bath fizzies. Nothing new. They are not telling us nothing new about Land of Sweets, and it's not at a point where it's a teaser. It's at a point that it's an annoyance at this point. Say something, at least. Even when they did the ending at the end of the video where they showed you around the store, show us the little preview setup of this Land of Sweets body care. I don't understand why this line is becoming so top secret. I don't know if the line doesn't exist and they're trying to come up with it and manufacture it. I don't don't know what is going on with Landa Sweets, but at this point, it seems like this line really doesn't exist, like, to anyone. Maybe it was something they were going to do, and they decided just to do it in this form, and they're not going to do it in body care. I don't know, but I'm getting told by store representatives that this body care is supposed to drop on the 24th. Is it going to be true? Is this body care even going to come out? I have no idea. I have never wanted a line from Bath and Body Works so much in my life, to a point where I'm out here stalking for it. But this is the first time I've ever been stalking for a line, and it's really disappointing to me because I am not hearing what I need to hear. I'm not getting any information that I need to get, and not even the company is saying anything about this line. And it was so weird. Again, when they talked about the candles, they didn't even show the nice icing candles. Man, since Galore on IG, if you don't check her out, check her out. She's even burning some of the candles in her house now because her test store had them out for purchase. So why did Bath and Body Works not talk about the Landa Sweet candles? This is making zero sense. And a lot of people are like, well, this is going to come out after Black Friday. Like, why would people want this to come out after Black Friday, after people already spent their money? This is what Bath and Body Works want people to spend their money on. So I am not getting this whole secrecy of this collection. I'm really thinking at this point this collection might not even exist, and they were just showing us little things in it because that what came out, in the lip glosses and all the different aspects, and maybe it's not going to be in full body care. But when I hear from a rep that a full body care is coming, and I hear from managers, I'm inclined to believe it. So we'll see what happens, if the body care really does exist, or were they just showing us this in body care form because they didn't have what form they were going to use for the line. Because if the form they have is what they showed with the bath soaks and all that, I will be highly disappointed, because I really really was expecting it in body care form. So y'all, the live was it just made me even more mad than I already was about all this. Like, what did you guys think of the live? Because this is not what Christmas smells like without having the whole collection out. So let me know what you guys think below. My rant is over. I still am going to shop there, and make sure if you shop there, you go through Ibotta when you're in stores. That way you can go ahead and get cash back on your purchases. Or if you're doing it online, go through Rakuten and get cash back. Let me know what you guys thought of the live below. I'm gonna get off here because y'all, I'm so over it. I'm at a point where I'm over it now.